Howdy, everybody. My name is Raul Diaz. I'm your local DIY animator. So, for the past couple weeks, I've been working on, trying to get product out. As an artist, you have to, you want to. So, what I've been doing is modeled and then I rigged. And one of the toughest things for all of us, one man shows is you have to do everything. You have to not only to be the texture artist, you have to be the sound engineer, you have to be the lighting, you have to be the set designer, you have to do everything. Until my little studio becomes, at least 3 or 4 people, you're going to see me putting out a ton of videos. So I started using Unity because I really think that these type of engines are going to be the future of animation. I grabbed an old tutorial called angrybots. The reason I did this, it's pre-made, has everything I really wanted to just, try everything out. You know, if you want to try out something, you just grab a basic model and go. I then installed Cinemachine, and if you notice my timeline down here, you see Cinemachine clips, which allowed me to create these virtual cameras. And these virtual cameras have a great thing. It's a look at, and what I did was I created a little sphere. And, I figured that sphere would be a great tour guide and just to go through a couple rooms. Um, Tell you what, I'll show you what was the end result of about 2.5 to 3 hours of just putting down cameras and just, hitting follow and saying, just follow this around. So let's hit play. Alrighty. So, yeah, sorry, it just balked a little bit there, and that's not anything to do with Unity or the camera system or anything. It's because I'm running off a network drive and it just caused a bunch of slowdown when it was doing that. But, so, why did I do this? You know what? You can make, a lot of us do our animating in one room. We love the option of doing more than one room. So let's say you did have make a little base like this. You really wouldn't have to worry about um, emulating plants. In the future, these little prefabs will probably actually look a lot more realistic. Actually, they do look a lot more realistic. Um, I should just go in here and put in what you can find nowadays. Even this rock is so dated, these little crates. So, my next video, I'll be updating the textures and things so you can see what can be done. However, the workflow is unbelievable. Just, drop in your cameras, point them, tell them what to follow. If I wanted a camera to follow him through the tunnel, I could have. But I just wanted to show you what can be done. All right.